Hey guys, finally my season's greetings has arrived to me. I ordered it through a bulk buy, so it took much longer than it would have if I had ordered it myself. But anyway, it's here. The external photo, which is supposed to come with it if you order from the official shop, will be here next week. For some reason it wasn't shipped together with the calendars. So anyway, let's rip it. I've been waiting so long for this. Oh, it comes with a sticker. Whoops, I didn't see that. The sticker, look. Okay, this is the sticker that comes in the back. It has the official BTS, and it says the DVD has English subtitles, which I will watch on the TV. Yay. After this. So, yay. Today I also got the BTS Now in Thailand photo book, brand new, and I also got some In the Mood for Love Part 2 calendar card things. So, ooh, that's my birthday month, Jungkook. Yeah, so I'm not really gonna open these because that's not what we're here for. We're here for this thing. So beautiful. Mine came a little dented on the sides, a little scratched, but it doesn't matter, I guess. And the back just says BTS. Oh no, the box is broken in. I'm not sure if you can see that, but oh, I'll have to get over it, I guess. I just wish people would take more care, especially during bulk buys. They don't really care about shipping that much. So here we've got the poster, which I will open first, I guess. So we'll do this in order. I didn't bring my tripod with me to Singapore, so I'm sort of just doing all of my videos by hand, unfortunately. Give me 1 second. Okay, let us see. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I wish I got their first season greetings, but by the time I wanted to get it, it was sold out in a lot of places. And that was in January, February, it was already sold out. So here we go, we've got the dates and BTS season greetings, and we've got the beautiful men, not boys, I guess. We've got J-Hope in like athletic clothes, same with V. We've got Jin, Rap Monster, Jungkook, oh my god. Okay, Sugar, oh my god, I love his hair like that, he looks so posh. And Jimin with his glasses. I love how they asked them to put their hands like that. Maybe not, maybe they just did that, but who knows. So there's the poster. I'll definitely be bringing that to university with me, because everyone needs to see that. Here's the calendar, I'll open that last. Oh my god, there's so much stuff in here. Oh my god, okay. And then we've got, oh my god, why is it ripped? This is so crap. Can you see that? It's like ripped, that sucks. Ugh, anyway, we've got the DVD and it's stuck to this little nub thing right there. Okay, then we've got the Dear Army Season's Greetings 2016 Love all the members, Happy New Year, and all of the, oh my god, that's a lot of stuff. I guess I'll open that next. Okay, 1 second. Alright, so first we have these things. This one's J-Hope, February. Cute. And here's a little handwritten thing here. It's so cute. Next we've got Jungkook and Rap Monster. Oh, because they're doing their birthday months since September is Rat Monster and Jungkook smell. That's so cute. And they've done the number out there of the month. So in September is the 9th month. That's so cute. So September and their messages. That's so cute. Oh, look at them stars. What is that supposed to be? Who knows? Next one we've got Jimin. October. Oh, I love his handwriting. It's so cute. Next we've got Sugar. He's wearing the same sweater as J-Hope. Right? Same sweater. Oh my gosh, I can't pick it up. He's wearing the same sweater. Oh, they're all wearing the same. Oh wait, no, Rat Monster's wearing the same one in a different color. But Sugar's wearing the same as J-Hope. So his birthday's in March. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Then we've got December, Jin and V. Oh, you can see his hair's kind of green there. So it must have been after they filmed. That's cute. I love the one. That's so cute. Okay, then we've got the stickers. Here we go. This one is V's. Then we've got Jin. Then we've got Rat Monster. Then we've got J-Hope. Oh, I love these so much. Oh, like the season's greetings are really expensive, but it's so worth it. Jungkook. This hairstyle makes him look so young and fetus like. Jungkook. And my two biases. Sugar. Oh my god, he's so cute. And Jimin. Yay! Okay, now we've got this card. It has a little sticker thing which I have to undo carefully. Oh my gosh, give me 1 second. Why? Oh my gosh, I don't wanna break it. Oh my gosh, okay, I got it. Okay, so this is the front of the card. Come on, focus. And the back, Happy New Year, season's greetings. And oh, that's cute. This is the picture of them. And then their individual note things. The same people. Who wrote this? Rat Monster drew those pictures. That random picture of that guy. Okay. Put that back in. Now we'll have a quick flip through this thing. This is the diary. This time it's a hardcover book. Last year's was in a little plastic sleeve. Okay. Sorry, give me 1 second. Okay, let's get started, shall we? Now, season's greetings. This has 2016 and 2017. That's nice. Then we've got January, like the individual months, which I will flip through quickly. August. And it has their birthdays on here too. See, Rat Monster and Jungkook. December, and they've also got 2017 January for the individual one. And then we can start the photos. Oh my god! I was not expecting this. Oh my god, this is so cute. They're holding like different This reminds me of his white chick voice. Oh my god, I can't even do it myself. Well, this is so cute. Okay, oh my gosh, this isn't one way. Then we've got just individual writing paper, looks like. How does this work? And then after that we've got this cubed paper, which I'm probably never going to use. Then we've got BTS paper, which... Oh, is that it? Oh, okay. Then they started with the pictures. So that's it for the scheduler. It's just that those few pages. I thought it'd be a little bit more. Anyway, these pages here with the pictures are glossy. Not sure if you can tell. Yeah, like that. Oh my god. Oh, sorry, the lighting's really bad. 1 second. Then, oh, these are so cute, I swear. I didn't realize it'd be these pictures. Oh my god. Now we've got J-Hope. Sugar. J-Hope. Oh my god, he looks so good. It's funny because I'm actually watching, I'm not sure what it's called, Rise of the Guardians right now. It's on TV with Jack Frost, and that's what he's wearing. He's wearing the exact same outfit. Oh my god, don't do that! Flip it before I go crazy. Oh, I should have brought my tripod. That's huge though. Rat monster. Rat monster. Then we've got Sugar and Jimin and is that J-Hope? Yep. Oh my gosh, Sugar looks so good here. That hair ruins me. Jimin looking at himself, of course. So it's mostly pictures in here. It's very different to other seasons greetings where they have a different picture for each month. I kind of prefer last year's scheduler though. I like the hardcover book this year, but I like the layout of last year's better. Jin, 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 Jin. Is he wearing a bulletproof vest? Ha 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 ha. Or something like that. V, oh my god, I can't take it when V like pushes his hair back and puts the cap on. It just... Deep breaths. Deep breaths. Oh my god. Minions! V, don't do that. Just don't do it. Rat monster. Jungkook. Oh my god, don't bite that bear's ear. I want to be that bear. So creepy. Jimin. Oh, I love this picture. Oh my god. God, he's so fluffy. Jimin. Jungkook, put that guitar down. Don't do that. Oh my gosh. His forehead just kills me. At the concert in Melbourne, all I could say was his forehead. His forehead was out for like the whole concert. I couldn't take it. Oh, Jin and V. I got Jin, V. My foot. I'm sorry. The sun's going down. I'm sorry for the terrible lighting. Jin and V. Is he cutting his hair? And we've got a group photo. Then credits. And then personal information. So that's about it for the scheduler. It's not a lot. I thought it'd be much more actually. It's kind of sad because I wanted to use it. writing stuff for school, and the space that they've given is literally nothing. Anyway, let's get on to the calendar, shall we? One second. Okay. There we go. So okay, I'll just do it this way, and then I'll have to do this really quickly. So January, group picture, February, J-Vote, March, sugar. Oh my god, I can't. Oh my god. I'm actually watching this right now. Can you see? Can you see him? That's Jack Frost. He's wearing like the exact same outfit as Sugar. See? That's him, and that's him. Oh, come on! Where is it? Never mind. I'll show you. There he is. There he is. Okay, moving on. Right, Monster. And then we've got Sugar, Jimin, and J-Hope. And for May, group for June. July has Jin. August has V. Jungkook and That Monster for September. Jimin for October. Jungkook for November, my birthday month. And of course Jin and V for December. And then they've got January 2017. And then we've got the signatures. And then we're going to go backwards. So this is January 2017. We've got the same members for each month, just different pictures. I love that picture. That lucky bear. V, oh my god, don't do that. Shoot me, please. I'm already dead. Group picture, oh my god. Sorry, I just can't get over how good he looks. I mean, those shoes, those socks. The socks though. I would so laugh if that guitar actually fell on Rat Monster. And look at him! Look at him! He's wearing the exact same thing. Look! Look! Right there! What a coincidence. I haven't put the DVD on. This is actually on TV right now. So then we've got the group. So that's it. That was my quick unboxing. Very messy. I'm sorry, I don't have my tripod. Anyway, this will probably be my last video before Christmas, so I hope everyone has a fantastic holiday. And Merry Christmas to everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Oh my god, what the hell is that? Rat Monster, stop drawing weird things. Oh my god, look at it. Sorry, I'm really perverted. Okay, bye.